Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a photo dump on TikTok by creating a slideshow with multiple photos. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. You'll land on the TikTok homepage. At the bottom, tap the plus icon in the middle to open the TikTok camera screen. This is where you create new content. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. This lets you choose photos or videos from your camera roll. Tap on Photos at top and select Multiple at the bottom to enable multi-photo selection for your TikTok photo dump. Select as many photos as you want. You can choose up to 35 photos for your slideshow. Once you've selected all your photos, tap Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe through the pictures you selected. You can edit each one individually using the editing tools on the right side. For example, tap the text icon to add captions or labels to your photos. Type in any text you want, then customize the font style, size, and color to match your aesthetic. Tap Done at the top right corner when you're finished with the text. You can drag and place the text wherever you want on the photo. Swipe to the next photo and repeat this process to edit each one. Once you're happy with all your edits, tap Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption, hashtags, and adjust other TikTok posting settings like privacy and comments. When everything's ready, tap Post to share your photo dump on TikTok. And that's how you make a photo dump on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more TikTok creative content and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.